When was the last time you saw how Jennifer Aniston's hair was cut? If you haven't already, you should. We are presenting 17 Jennifer Aniston's hairstyles, haircuts, and hair color that you will surely adore. Comment down below what hairstyle was your favorite. Number 10 was my favorite. Hollywood actress Jennifer Aniston has been an iconic figure on Spotlight for many years. Her taste in clothing and her impeccable style are much admired by those in the glamorous industry. Jennifer's hairstyles are usually sophisticated, chic, and youthful, and she continues to attempt new things despite her advanced years. Jennifer is constantly trying new hairstyles. They're not complicated or time-consuming, yet they never fail to elevate an outfit to a higher level of understated elegance. Number 1, Jennifer Aniston Friends Inspired Hairstyles. Jennifer Aniston's classic Friends haircut. Isn't it captivating? If you have short hair, try this makeover. It's feminine, classic, and comfortable. How many agree? Number 2, Messy Double Braid Hairstyle. Jennifer Aniston loves braided hairstyles too. Jennifer Aniston's 90s haircut is awesome. It's chic, sophisticated, and easygoing. So, how do you like it? Number 3, Medium Hair with Soft Curls. We're all talking about Jennifer Aniston's new hairstyle. This curly and wavy style suits her style and attitude. Our star suits the style, elegance, and well-trimmed hair. What do you think? Number 4, the blonde hair. Given its difficulty, celebrities may not like the blonde haircut. Jennifer Aniston looks great and pulls off her haircut. We adore this gorgeous's vivid and stunning style. The curls, charm, and golden highlights are stunning. Number 5, soft and simple haircut. Jennifer prefers exquisite simplicity. The actress prefers directness and grace. This soft, simple haircut is a favorite. This feather hairstyle has split ends and shoulder-length locks, combining style and modern colors. Number 6, the bob haircut. No star would skip the bob. Celebrities love it. Jennifer Aniston rocks this gorgeous bob hairdo. This comfy haircut makes her look young and trendy. What do you think? Number 7, the ombre hairstyle. Jennifer Aniston's haircut is perfect. It shows her rocking ombre hair with the smoothest and most attractive tone statement look. Number 8, Jennifer in long tousled waves. If you like femininity, you'll love ruffled waves. This haircut makes Jennifer Aniston stunning. On an event night, she complemented the disheveled waves hairdo with long hair perfectly. Number 9, short choppy beachy waves. Jennifer loves waves hairdo. Her choppy cut beachy wave style is stunning again. This short wavy hairdo fits her personality perfectly. She is charming and youthful. Number 10, curls with side bangs. Jennifer looks lovely with this side bangs haircut. Jennifer Aniston's experimental curly hairstyle with bangs works wonderfully. Side hair highlights add vibrancy to this look. Do you like Jennifer Aniston's medium-length bangs? Number 11, straight chestnut hair. Jennifer nails the sophisticated soft look as well as the waves haircut, as shown below. Her facial characteristics complement this wonderful chestnut hair highlight. A classic look. Jennifer Aniston's long haircut will always look great. Number 12, sleek lob haircut. Jennifer Aniston's new lob looks great on her. The straight, edgy, sleek style adds to the glamour. Being youthful, modern, graceful, and elegant is good. Number 13, neat bun. Jennifer Aniston rarely wears hair buns. She's engaging and eye-catching effortlessly. The tidy, knotted bun adds sophistication and vintage charm. Jennifer Aniston wore this hairstyle a few years ago. Number 14, Pinned Ponytail. We love this ponytail. It has been trending for years but remains a lively, timeless aesthetic. Jennifer Aniston looks great with her ponytail hairstyle. Number 15, Short Messy Ponytail. Jennifer Aniston has a short, messy ponytail too. For a youthful, feminine look, choose this breezy contemporary and feminine style statement. It is convenient and comfortable to manage as well. Number 16, Frizzy Windswept Hairstyle. Windswept and rugged appearances are still trendy. We admire Jennifer Aniston's striking red carpet style. Her windswept look is ideal. Number 17, Brown Short Curly Bob. This gorgeous and distinctive bob haircut is another Jennifer Aniston favorite. It suits experimentalists. We love longer haircuts, but her style is shocking and charming. We love Jennifer Aniston's bob haircut. We trust you liked exploring these fashionable new cuts and styles inspired by Jennifer Aniston's hair. Jennifer is constantly on the lookout for the most sophisticated and adaptable outfits, and we have no doubt that she never strays from her style choices. Her stunning looks are what get us hooked on her in the most basic sense. I'm curious as to your thoughts on them. Share your own opinions with us. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.